This application requires 2 full strips. While sitting, place the involved knee in about 20 degrees of flexion or bend. Prepare your first strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Place the anchor over the bony bump found just below the kneecap with no stretch, directing the application toward the lateral aspect of the kneecap. While flexing the knee an additional 20 to 30 degrees with light stretch, apply the tape wrapping around to the top of the kneecap. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Take a second strip and create your anchor. Place this over the bony prominence just below your kneecap with no stretch, directing it toward the inside of your kneecap. With light stretch, apply the tape wrapping to the top of the kneecap. Apply the last 2 inches with no stretch. Gently rub the application to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.